Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video we are going to talk about Google Jamboard. Google Jamboard is somewhat like a blackboard or a whiteboard useful for remote teaching, which means teaching through online. Now for those who don't know, we are a new channel. We upload videos related to tech, science and art. Now this is another tech video. Now let us jump on to the video. Now of course at first we have to open Google Chrome. Now over here you can see these 9 dots, Google Apps. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to scroll down and here we can find Jamboard. I just clicked on it. It will load some jams. Now to make a new Jamboard, we have to just click on this new jam plus icon, and over here we get the new Jamboard. Now each white sheet is called the frame, and we can change the background. For example, I can give dots. You can see tiny little dots over here. Now then ruled. Is ruled paper, then a graph paper, another graph paper, then a blue, complete blue, and then last the black. So we are going with the none or the white one. Now here are the tools that we can use. The first one is the pen tool. So let us go. Just black lines. When we click on it, we can see some other tools. Of course, we have some colors over here. 6 colors: black, blue, green, white, yellow, red. Let me try out each. Now white will only work on a black frame. Of course, I have to admit that it will be more easier if we have a pen tablet, because writing with the mouse or using the trackpad is, of course, it is difficult. Let me go back to the color black and background white. Here we have the second option, marker. It gives just a little more stronger lines. The other one, somewhat like a highlighter. Then I have brush. Let's try out the brush in different colors. It's too light to be seen, but can be used somewhat like a highlighter or something else. Now I don't have to explain this. This is just the eraser. Can rub all. This is the pointer. If we want to select something, then we can use this one. Now this one is the sticky note. For example, if I want to say good morning to the students who are going to see this Jamboard, can see this good morning in a very neat handwriting, like a sticky pad. And then we can use this pointer tool to just select. We can resize it rotate it, rotate completely. Now we can edit it. It gives now I can edit it like this. I can even change the colors and no color. It will just make it transparent. Now I prefer yellow. Now the other option is duplicate. It just creates a duplicate, then delete. And now I am going to duplicate this one and show you the last and final option. Order. Bring front, bring backward. We have this, and now if we click it again, bring backward. So these are the two options: bring to front and send to backward. All those. I will delete it. Yes, we can use the keyboard key delete to delete it. Then the next one is the image. You can just go and add images. For example, I'm going to search an image. Now I will add this. It will just add it. Same things, we can rotate it, resize it, duplicate it, delete it, or change the order. Let me delete it now. Now you can see lot of lines over here which are actually disturbing. So I'm going to clear the frame. It also removes the sticky pad and the picture. Now here it is circle, of course, to draw circles. Then when we click it again, for a little long time, shows us different shapes. Okay, so now the last and final option, text. Not the last. Here we can type it. Resize it, rotate it, duplicate it. I don't want it. Edit it. Change the order. You can see it is sent to the back. Now the last one is, if we have prepared a neat and clean board over here, we just want to underline some things but don't want to use pen, as it will keep the marking for a long time unless we erase it. So the next option is this one. Don't know what we call it. You can see it rubs automatically. Let me clear it. Now here we can see two arrows. These lead us to the other frames. We can create as many as we want. So I am going to the first one. We can even save this in certain ways, such as we can save this like a PDF, or we can save this frame like an image. What if I click it? Took a bit time. I have to admit. Let me open it. Here you can see the frame has been created. I am I'm going to just use the other sheets also. I'm just going to scribble it in different pattern. And now I'm going to save it in a PDF format. You can see it saves in a PDF form. Here we can rename it. Just I'm going to name it. We can even rename it like this also when we go and click on this name. We can make a copy. It will be saved in my drive. I don't want the copy now, so it will show even updates. I don't want all updates now. We can send feedback to Google. All these in these 3 dots, more actions. If the students want that the students should see the teachers also, then the last way is that we can present it through Google Meet or anything else. So I'm just writing something. Now if we want to share this, you can click on this. This shows private to me only. You can just get the link. Now here we can see restricted and a down arrow. To click on it. Anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can view it or edit it. Let me set as editor. Copy link. Now I will show you what happens when a student opens this. Now this is what a student sees. You can see that he also has the options to edit this. He also can draw lines and do anything. Now what happens when I am going to just write something over here. Write means just draw lines, and you can see it actually do something on the other page also. It is shared, but a little bit of delay will be there. Now if the students are just cutting off, striking off things which we wrote, so it will not be very pleasant in the class. So we can just change it to view only. Now you can see when I reload, you can see that when I reloaded, I don't have these menu, so I can't edit it. I can just watch it, nothing else.